Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ego the Messy Soaper, and in this video we'll be making a butterscotch pancake soap in respect to the World Pancake Day. All right, so I made this on World Pancake Day, and of course I'll be using my melt and pour. My melt and pour is scented already. However, I will still be scenting this soap, okay, with my fragrance oil. So I chopped it up. Earlier on I showed you the silicone molds I will be working with. It's a simple project that you can do at the comfort of your home, okay, because already you're using a soap base. Now I will be going in with my mica. It's like a shimmery gold mica, okay, that's the lightest color, closest I can use for my pancake mix, okay, the base. So I put that away to melt while I go ahead and chop up my glycerin melt and pour, and I am coloring this in red. This is for the hearts and the strawberries I'll be using in this project. Now I have melted this. You can see the color. I'm okay with the color. I just wanted something light to give me that pancake look and shade. Now I go in with my butterscotch fragrance oil. This fragrance oil, oh my god, is everywhere. Smells so good, and I'm wondering, can this be used for real food? And I would find out if this is food safe, because god, it smells so good. It smells like food. So if you're smelling this soap, if you buy this soap, you're one of the people that bought this soap, you will know what I mean. So of course melt and pour doesn't take time. It starts to solidify almost immediately, which you saw there. Okay, now I'm pouring into my strawberry mold and my love mold. And as you guys know, the next day would be Valentine's Day, but I mean, by the time this video will be coming up, these 2 days would have passed. Okay, so yeah, we just thought to do a video in respect to Pancake Day and Valentine's Day. It's been a while I did a voiceover, and I just thought to, come in here and chit chat with you guys. I hope everybody is doing well so far, so good this year. So this will sit and solidify in no time. Under 30 minutes this will be ready for the next step of our project. If you're not following this channel, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and watch our videos from top to bottom, okay? Always finish watching our videos, because I get questions like, where is the recipe, what quantity of oil did you use? If you watched our videos to the end, you would get the recipe, especially for videos that I drop recipes for. So please endeavor to watch from beginning to the end before you ask for recipes, please. When it comes to my melt and pour soaps, I really don't give recipes, because melt and pour is pretty much straightforward. It's just melting your soap, adding color, adding fragrance oil, and you're good to go. So you're either adding your fragrance oil in 1% or 2% or 3%. So yeah, that's about it. So for my melt and pours, you wouldn't find any recipes whatsoever, okay? Well, in this project, I did not use the Love soaps. I used only the strawberry, and you'll be seeing that in a bit. Now I am molding my pancakes stroke waffles. Now I will go ahead and cut them all up. After I have done molding them, I'm going to just cut them into two so that it's a bit more compact and easier to handle in the bathroom. Okay, not having it so big and everywhere. Of course, if these were real pancakes, I mean, we could, eat them like that. Even for presentation, I'm sure real pancakes will be cut up so that, it looks better on the plate. Okay, so I'm just cutting them up, and now I am trying to give shades and shadows to the pancakes for it to look a bit more real. I couldn't find my brush, and I just had to work with my hands to just give it some dark edges, for it to look a bit more realistic. Okay, I didn't like the gold shade that I used, okay, but my bronze was too dark because it was going to give like a burnt look, so I had to like tamper it down with the gold, okay, so that at least when your eyes fall on it, it doesn't look burnt. It still looks okay. The gold gives you the feel like, okay, it didn't burn. If that makes sense. So just dusting it up and getting it ready for the next stage. Okay, so it looks realistic. Now I lost the footage where I glued these soaps together. Okay, I just had to melt some more melt and pour and then used it to get them to stick together. Okay, so now what I'm doing in this jug is mixing titanium dioxide in oil. Okay, so this is a combination of melt and pour and cold process. Okay, so this is just the oil here mixed in titanium dioxide so that it can give me a white look and not this golden color you see in this particular bowl. This is soap that has been mixed up. It's also cold process. Okay, it's already been mixed up with oil and lye solution. Okay, so I'm just turning in the extra oil that is supposed to go in there. Okay, I had to mix it first with titanium dioxide so that it gives me that white look, because this is going to be our whipped cream on this pancakes. So I'm mixing it so everything gets incorporated properly. So I'll mix this until it gets to a thick consistency that I can pipe. You see, that's what I want. Yes, I want it to hold up so that when I am piping it, it would hold up on my pancake and not like spill over, like just melt over. I don't know if that makes sense. It has to stay firm. Okay, so this is my butter. I made some butter. I didn't have any mold for this, so I just made it with my hands. You know, some people have salted butter or unsalted butter that they put on their hot pancake for it to melt on their pancakes to have the taste of butter on pancakes. Okay, so that's the butter there, and then I am piping over the butter. Okay, my piping skill is rustic, please, so manage my piping skill. So I just did just enough for this badge. Okay, I didn't want to have any leftovers, so I just did enough. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I have some for this last badge, this last soap rather. Okay, at least there's something on it. Yes. So I'll go ahead and put in my strawberries. I put in chocolates. Okay, last minute I decided, why not? Let me have chocolates in it. Okay, so I made some chocolates and I stuck some in my soap. I decided to place the butter differently for the remaining 3 pancakes. Some are under the frosting, some are on top of the frosting, just to give a different look. Now my melt and pour for my chocolate dripping kind of seized up, and I don't know why. Melt and pour can behave strange sometimes, but I wasn't ready to take it back to the fire to have it melted up, so I decided to use it like that because oh my god, today was a hectic day. Making all these little pieces and bringing them all together is really a lot of work. Waiting for them to solidify takes the whole day. Okay, so at this point I was very tired. I wasn't even ready to go back to remelt it. I'm like, it's going to work that way, I'm going to use it that way. And so this is a finished product. This is what my pancake, butterscotch pancake soap looks like. I hope they look realistic enough. Some of you would ask, is this really soap? I'm happy I made it in front of you guys. This is soap, okay, and the foam and the ladder. Although they were too cute for me to do a ladder test, so I will not be doing a ladder test in this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching me while I made my World Pancake Day a bomb. Thank you so much guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Happy soaping!